Video start. Hello everyone. If you want to learn Chinese, today's video is for you. I'm going to give you a challenge where you can learn some very important Chinese phrases. I'll say a few Chinese sentences, and your job is to write them in the comments just as I say them. Challenge part. Are you ready? First, listen up. Here are some Chinese sentences. 1. Ni hao ma? Ni hao ma? How are you? 2. Xie xie. Xiexi, thank you. 3. Qingwen si suo zai nali? Qingwen sesuo zai nali? Where is the bathroom? 4. Wo shi huan jie gi. Wo shi wan jej, I like this. Now, your task is to write these sentences correctly in the comments. Give it a try, and if you make any mistakes, no worries, practicing is the way to learn. Encouragement to audience. If this is your first time learning Chinese, don't be scared. This challenge is really easy and fun. Whether you get the answers right or wrong, it all matters. So, what will you write? Share it in the comments, and let's learn together. Final push for comments. If you participate in this challenge, I'll mention you in the next video, and I'll be really happy to see your progress. So, now go ahead and share your answers in the comments. The more comments we get, the more videos I'll make.